How to set Waze as your default navigation app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can set Waze as your default navigation app on Android device. For this, you first of all want to open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and find the option of apps, then tap on that. After that, out of the list of your applications, you want to scroll down and find the Waze app. If you do not want to search for it manually, you can tap on this search icon, then search for Waze. Once you find it, tap on that. Now, the first thing you want to do here is make sure the notifications is allowed for the Waze app. Next, you want to tap on permissions and make sure that all the required permissions are given on the Waze application. Once you have made both these changes and you want to make Waze your default navigation app on your Android device, then you want to tap on the Set as Default option over here. Now, what you want to do here is toggle this option on that says Open Supported Links. Once that is done, you can head back, and now the Waze application has been successfully set as your default app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.